And speaking of China, the Chinese President Xi Jinping is visiting for a co-op mission. Is this because he's not confident he has popular support anymore? He does not have. And since there are growing murmurs of discontent in China, residents are angry with the mishandling of the coronavirus pandemic. Is Xi Jinping trying to humanize his policies? We bring you more in our next report.
Turmoil in Hong Kong, challenge in Taiwan, bad press the world over.
It comes from China. That's why. It comes from China. I want to be accurate.
And growing dissent at home. The Chinese regime's reflex for secrecy has backfired. The CCP is on sides. Beijing wants to rebuild Xi Jinping's image, but its toolbox to fix it seems to have only one instrument: propaganda. This is how the Chinese top brass celebrated Mother's Day. A clip of their supreme ruler's mother talking to him on the phone was released on Sunday. A video from 2001 released 19 years later, accompanied by photos from the Chinese president's childhood. This was a desperate attempt to humanize Xi Jinping, who himself is taking cross-country trips to win public opinion. Xi Jinping is visiting ancient temples to boost public morale. The leader of an atheist state trying all the tricks to burnish his image. He is visiting factories, apparently to boost production and upgrade traditional manufacturing. He is checking the growth and production of daylilies. He is spending time with the farmers, and Xi Jinping is brainstorming industries into cash cows.
Last month I went to Shanxi province. A village there planted wood ear. I said small wood ears can turn into a big industry. It is the same here. The daylily will be a big industry with promising prospects. You should protect and develop it well and make it a cash cow for people.
This is what China wants you to believe. The state media too is spending column inches on the ponderous speeches and daily movements of their leader. These headlines and visuals are not just for the clicks. They betray the growing political crisis in China. Questions are being asked on the extent of Beijing's coronavirus mismanagement. Chinese citizens themselves are revolting and seeking explanations. Oil once again for democracy. Taiwan is fighting back for its sovereignty. New cases are being reported in Wuhan. And there's a global chorus to make China pay. So China is feeding stories with positive sentiments to the domestic audience. And stories of ordinary people are being turned into a narrative of national unity for the world to see. China's propaganda may have matured, but so have its targets. Bureau Report,